Hello and welcome to my AI Trading Signals video. I am Enda. AvaTrade's AI Trading Signals, powered by Trading Central, offer an AI-backed approach to trading, helping both new and seasoned traders reach their full potential. AvaTrade's AI Trading Signals are a game changer, providing real-time insights and actionable recommendations integrated directly into AvaTrade's platforms. You receive real-time market insights and instant notifications on trading opportunities covering forex, stocks, commodities, and indices, so you never miss a chance to trade. Use the link in the description to get these AI trading signals for free. Access these AI trading signals directly within the AvaTrade WebTrader and AvaTradeGo platforms, ensuring a smooth and user-friendly trading experience, allowing quick and efficient trade execution. Additionally, these signals are available for MetaTrader, email, and Telegram. The AI trading signals are free for everyone with a live account and a deposit. For the first 2 weeks, AvaTrade offers these AI trading signals free to everyone, even without a deposit. Using AI trading signals on AvaTrade WebTrader and AvaTradeGo is straightforward. Look for a signal icon on the left-hand toolbar to open the signal window. Signal details include generation time, key levels, and suggested trade direction. Key levels are predetermined targets or price levels identified by the signal provider. Each signal presents 2 scenarios, buy and sell, each with 3 target levels based on the current market price. Assess the current price between the resistance level and the support level. If the price remains above the pivot line, the buy signal is relevant. If it falls below, consider the sell scenario. Take profit, and stop loss parameters will auto-populate according to your trade direction, which you can adjust as needed. Utilize AvaProtect, their innovative trade protection tool, to safeguard your trades from losses for a set period. Getting started with AvaTrade's AI trading signals is easy. Sign up for an AvaTrade WebTrader or AvaTradeGo account with my link in the description. Navigate to the AI Trading Signals section. Browse real-time AI trading signals and select those that align with your trading goals. Implement suggested entry and exit points and preset stop loss, and take profit targets to enhance your trades. AvaTrade prioritizes security and compliance, ensuring their AI trading signals adhere to all relevant regulations and industry best practices, ensuring transparency and trust. AvaTrade offers a suite of educational resources, including webinars, live demonstrations, video tutorials, and articles. Their comprehensive support team is available 24 hours a day, 5 days a week, to assist with any questions or issues, ensuring you have all the support you need to succeed. On the MetaTrader platform, simply download the Guardian Angel add-on to view signals directly within the platform. Also, you can opt to receive signals through email or Telegram, keeping you informed wherever you are. Start using AvaTrade's AI trading signals today and take advantage of the 2-week free access without needing to deposit. Use the link in the description to get these AI trading signals for free. Thanks for watching my AI trading signals video. See you next time.